spend 1 year in prison, or spend 2 years in a coma. I don't want to be in a coma. Hell no. I don't want to be in prison either. Listen. Wear someone else's dirty underwear, or use someone else's toothbrush. Ugh. Damn, people, you people. Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title, let's just get right into this video. I'm gonna be doing would you rather. Okay, so the way I'm gonna play this drinking game, if less people agree on the answer that I chose, then I have to take a drink. Or I should put it, if more people disagree on the answer that I chose, then I have to take a drink. Okay, so what I have is white rum, white overproof rum. My Jamaicans know. j.wray and nephew rum. And cranberry juice. Because I don't feel like going outside to buy anything. This is what I have right now. On spot with me in my house. This is all I have right now. So yes, I'm gonna be using. And this is 63%. Very strong. So I can't just take shots with just this. I have to mix it because it's too strong. All right. Whew, it is strong. Yo. All right, so the first one is have to learn to walk all over again, or have to learn to write all over again. I have to go with, do I want to learn to walk all over again? I'm gonna go with have to learn to write all over again, because I feel like walking is harder than writing. I don't know. All right, let's see. All right, no drink. Have world peace or have $1 billion. Oh, this is a hard one, man. This is a hard one. But I have to go with have world peace, because money comes and goes, you know? So, yeah. Damn. Yo, people say they'd rather to have one. Yo, the way people think, money comes and goes. Come on, man. Sure. Woo. Woo, 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 woo. Strong. Get one wish from a genie or receive $1 million. Get one wish from a genie? No. I'd rather receive $1 million. Because see, the last time I give up the money, so this time I'm not giving up the money. Money. Y'all rather to have one wish from a genie? Alright, so I guess I'm weird or something. Have your blood sucked by a vampire. Have your brain eaten by a zombie. Listen, I don't even have to think about this one. Have your blood sucked by a vampire. Why am I not thinking about this one? Because you watch too much vampire show. You, Krissy, you watch too many vampire movies and shows. That's why. Spend 1 year in prison, which I think they mean spend 1 year in prison, or spend 2 years in a coma. Gosh, this is so harsh. I don't want to be in a coma. Hell no. I don't want to be in prison either, but I'd rather be up and alive and moving, so spend 1 year in prison. Okay, alright. Be run over by a car, or run over someone else while driving? Hell no. If I run over someone else while driving, I'm gonna feel guilty for the rest of my life. Let me see. Be run over by a car. Damn, people, savage. Run over someone else? Alright. Wear someone else's dirty underwear or use someone else's toothbrush. Ugh. First of all, if I use someone else's toothbrush, I'm gonna throw up. And if I wear someone else's dirty underwear, I'm probably gonna get something. Ugh, this is hard, but use someone else's toothbrush. Y'all nasty. Kiss a spider or kiss a mouse? Kiss a spider? If I kiss a spider, isn't it gonna like kiss a spider? Everyone said kiss a mouse. All right, that one I wasn't thinking, because I probably would rather kiss a mouse as well, because a spider. Listen, that tastes good though, I'm not lie. That mix, I didn't know it would taste that good, but it can go on. Have 75% more body hair or have 100% less body hair. So that means I'm gonna be bald. Ew, hair. Let's see what these people pick. I'm gonna have less body hair. Let's see. All right, yeah. All right, cool. Wrestle a lion or fight a shark. I can't swim. First of all, I can't swim, so I can't even fight a shark to begin with. So I'm just gonna go with wrestle a lion. Have no knees or have no elbows. Have no elbows. Alright. Have unlimited data on your phone or have unlimited battery on your phone. Have unlimited battery on my phone because I could use Wi-Fi, right? Live in ancient Greece or live in ancient Egypt? Well, I've heard, I mean, Egypt isn't, let me see, Egypt. Greece? I don't know, like, I wouldn't choose none, but oh well. Only be able to whisper or only be able to shout? Only be able to whisper. Yeah. Have perfect health for the rest of your life or be able to see any event in your future? Have perfect health for the rest of my life. Yes. All right, that's weird. Next, never watch basketball again. I was watching it to begin with, or never watch football again. Depends on, okay, Americans call that hand thing football. In Jamaica we call soccer football. So I'll choose never watch basketball again. Yay. Be a millionaire or marry a billionaire? Be a billionaire. What you mean? That ain't... Marry a billionaire? He could divorce me anytime. Anytime. And what will I be? The heir? That's it? Not even the billion? Just the heir? I'll only be the heir. Die from dehydration or die from starvation? That's harsh. Let's see what people chose. I'm gonna put dehydration. All right, people chose that. Listen, I want to drink, so let me lose some. Never be able to hear your favorite song again or never be able to watch your favorite movie again. Never be able to watch my favorite movie again. You guys love music, huh? I love music too, but shit. That was a big one. Tea or coffee? That ain't no question, boo. Tea. Tea me, please. See? Have a job you love and make no money. Have a job that you hate and make loads of money. I'm gonna choose have a job that you hate and make loads of money, because I could save and be like, peace, after saving up my money. So I'm gonna choose that one. Be able to talk to animals or be able to speak all foreign languages. Be able to speak all foreign languages. The hell? Be able to talk to animals? People want to... This is America. They catch you slipping. They catch you slipping. Be a mutant or a zombie, or be a zombie. Frick, zombie. Tell somebody. Give up all drinks except for water. Oh, give up all drinks except for water? That's easy. Give up eating anything that was cooked in an oven. Even alcohol? Give up eating anything that was cooked in an oven. People, y'all thinking about alcohol. That's why y'all chose that one. I can relate. Watch The Walking Dead or watch House of Cards? None, but I'm gonna choose watch House of Cards. Y'all caught me. I gotta go get a free pill. Get rich through hard work. Get rich through winning the lottery. A lot of people gonna lie and say get rich through hard work, but don't judge me. Get rich through winning the lottery. Alright, I'm not the only one. Be able to see twice the distance or be able to hear twice the distance. Hear twice the distance? Hear twice the distance. See people business and leave it alone. Hallelujah. 50-50, so be rich or be famous. Where famous I go? I got your pick? That never in it. Be rich. Have all traffic lights you approach be green, or never have to stand in line again. Never have to stand in line again. Okay, so I had to go get a refill. Murderer. Meet Harry Styles or kick Harry Styles? I don't even know. Who's that? Meet Harry Styles. Oh, everyone say kick her. Alright, I gotta go Google Harry Styles. I gotta go Google Harry Styles because I don't know who that is. Sleep on soft ground with a hard pillow, or sleep on hard ground with a soft pillow. Sleep on soft ground with a hard pillow? Alright. Spend all your time with friends or spend all your time making money? I'm gonna go with spend all your time making money, because when I make enough money, then all my friends can join me, right? Can join me after. I could spend for all of us. So I feel like shit, but I have a point. After I make all this money that I'm spending time doing, then all my friends will be good. That's what I chose, but I lost. Be an only child or have 10 siblings. Doesn't matter. Have 10 siblings. It's nice to have company. Everyone said be an only child because they probably have 10 siblings, which I don't. It's just me and my little brother from my mom. I know what it's like to be an only child. I was an only child until I was 15 years old. So I know what it's like. And then my brother came after, and ain't nothing wrong with that. I don't mind sharing. Be allergic to babies or be allergic to elderly people. Are you guys serious right now? I would never be allergic to babies. But I'm not allergic to only elderly people. Alright, I'm gonna put elderly people. Have everything you touch disappear or have everything you touch stick to you. Have everything I touch. No. Everything, not people, just things. Alright, I'll choose this one. Alright. Live next to a garbage dump or live next to a garbage dump. People chose live next to a cemetery. What? Alright, that's it. Alright, that's it for that would you rather. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Make that thumbs up blue. My eyes are blurry right now, but thank you guys for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you could be notified when I post videos. And thank you so much for the support. If you made it to the end of my video, comment the word Adidas if you made it to the end of my video. Let's see who's loyal. Stay tuned for my next upload.